where I live. And we started them in, actually it was his birthday today. He's just turned 61 and he started them with me when he was 58. And I wrote a whole series of protocols through the pandemic that were designed to reduce inflammation throughout the body. At the time when I started this work, it wasn't specifically for Parkinson's disease. We kind of found our way into Parkinson's disease already with the best strategies to stop symptoms. So when the doctor approached us, his number one fear, he'd researched the medication and had informed himself, and he understood that the medications produced dyskinesia, which is a series of involuntary movements, and on a long enough time horizon, they become worse than the Parkinson's symptoms on their own. So his goal was not to get on the medications for as long as possible. So when he came into me, we began a series of fasting protocols at the beginning, fasting and ketosis. Now, we use autophagy to fix the cellular structure in the body. You imagine the human body, it's 37 trillion cells divided over about 200 different categories of networks in the body. And your neural cells are loaded with alpha-synucleins, and this is stopping the energy transfer into the mitochondria. It's disrupted. So it's not just a low dopamine problem, although that is part of the problem. It's also the transfer of that energy as dopamine into the mitochondria to produce energy, right? So when you take the garbage out of the cells through autophagy, that cellular structure gets closer to homeostasis, right? Now, the other way to think about this is the brain is a hybrid energy system. It can burn glucose from carbohydrates, or it can burn ketones from fat. Humans live 99% of our evolutionary history in ketosis. If you look at calories and how to get them and where they were throughout human history, we were eating 22 million calorie woolly mammoths, a lot more than we were eating seasonally available bitter apples, right? Now, because of the modern system, we've been eating